Minisita omubeezi w'ebyobulamu Anifa Kawooya bangirana nabeera omugenyi omukulu wali mu sipatala enkulu ya Jinja Regional Referral Hospital okulayiza olukiiko olukulu lwa sipatala eno lujja kuba nga lutambuza emirimu gyalwo entengama y'emyaka egindi 3 okuva buti eddukira ng'olukiiko lukayire lwawaako mwezi gwa Namwendwa omwaka oguwere 2023 ng'ate ebyembi yali ssentebe w'olukiiko luno buti omugenzi Dr. David Kitimbo yafa ng'ebula bwasaasira ndala yonka ekisanda kyaibwe kiweeku. Omulamuzi w'eddaala erisooka mu kkooti y'eyinda Linda Nakalema n'akiikirira omulamuzi omukulu wa kkooti enkulu y'eyinda Fiona Angura ku mukolo ogw'okulayiza olukiiko luno era nga balondeibwa nga bakulemberwamu ssentebe wa boodi eno Dr. Mukisa David amangu irala bakubye ebirayiro byaibwe.
Isabire Farouk Ekinaidanga affirm.
I, Dr. Isabire Frederick Daniel, swear that I will not directly or indirectly communicate
and that I will observe, support and uphold the Constitution, so help me God.
Bananga bamaze okuba nga ate balayira abakulembeze muyinda balina entanda yabasikirire kwekyo kye bayibiyemu.
You're taking your oath, you should know that you're accountable to the people that have put you into the office that you're in, but also to God.
The board of Jinja Referral Hospital that we are inaugurating today, your representation of the country, not only the region, by the way.
Ekyo techinge maako, that one does not touch me. You have been appointed to this board. You have accepted the responsibility.
Dr. Mukisa David akulira olukiiko olw'eddwaliro lino ayambye ebiniko bye basuubira okubona ng'ate bataako mukono mu myaka gyaibwe 3.
We are looking at having a blood bank for the region. Can we think of having Nalufenya as a national referral for pediatrics?
Akulira sipatala eno enkulu y'eyinda Dr. Alfred Yayi alina okusaba kwatusa eri gavumenti okubagemeraku ng'eirwaliro.
We are located along this highway, the Kampala Jinja highway up to Mombasa. We get a lot of accidents, but if you go in our A&E, accident and emergency unit, it is really terrible. We are squeezing there. And most of our buildings here are old, 1930s, 1920s. They need to be really upgraded.
Minister Anifa Kawooya mu ndogera ye ku mukolo guno asoze kuba nga tasikirira bano abakubye ebirayiro ekibalina okuba nga batakwolina obwongo n'okumana nti okufa ku mulwaire n'omulimu gwabwe ogusookera irala.
But don't forget that the people we are supposed to plan for, to take care of, are our patients. The patients also have a right to have justice. Justice in what? In service delivery.
Kituufu nti akuwa obukulu akuwa kulya ayembeera bano Minisita Anifa Kawooya abaweera obukodyo bw'okwewalamu obugubuze.
If the mayor says give me kickback, say my dear, I didn't see you in the guidelines, kickback may. Say I see facelift. Then the mayor said no, I am sacking you. Yes, you can sack me, but let's go to the chief magistrate and they tell me where is the kickback. We can fight this corruption.
Minisita Anifa Kawooya akobye ndi mwaka gw'ebyessente ogulukwidda ku 2024-2025 gavumenti ya Uganda yakuta ino eigere mu nsonga z'ebyobulamu nga n'omuli okuniinisa amadaala ag'amalwaliro b'ebitundu bya Uganda ebirala bya nsambo ndala.
We are moving to ensure that we upgrade all health center 3s to health center 4, abolishing health center 2s to health center 3s, to have a doctor 1 or 2 at sub-county health center 3s. Beginning next financial 24-25, we are going to have health center 4s at each and every constituency. Budonda Health Center 4 has been listed and aligned to be one of the facilities.
Musulo Robert, Baba TV, Amakonde.